Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type with your voice on your iPhone. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when you don't want to keep tapping away on the keyboard. Let's dive into how you can make the most of voice to text on your iPhone. Voice to text, also known as the voice keyboard, is a feature that transcribes your spoken words into text. Unlike sending a voice message, the recipient won't know that you used your voice to type the message. This makes it a seamless way to communicate without the need to type manually. When you're in the Messages app, you might notice that there are two microphone icons. One is right beside the text field, and the other is located below the keyboard. Both of these microphones serve the same purpose, so you can use either one to start using voice to text. To enable voice to text, first open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. From there, navigate to the keyboard section. Inside the keyboard settings, you'll find a section called Dictation. To turn on voice to text, simply flip the switch labeled Enable Dictation. If it wasn't enabled before and you want to start using it, turning this switch on will activate the feature. If prompted, confirm your action to complete the setup. Once you've enabled dictation, you'll see the microphone icons appear on your keyboard. To start typing with your voice, tap on one of the microphone icons and begin speaking. Your iPhone will transcribe your words into text in real time. It's that easy. If you ever decide you want to disable voice to text, just follow the same steps. Go to the Settings app, then General, then Keyboard, and finally turn off the Enable Dictation switch. When you disable this feature, the microphone icons will disappear from your keyboard, but you can still send voice messages. Just click on the A icon, similar to the App Store icon, to access the voice memo functionality. Voice to text is a great tool for quickly typing out messages, notes, or anything else you need. It's especially handy when you're on the go, or if you find typing on a small screen cumbersome. That's it for today's video on how to type with your voice on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.